wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Judges of Malaysia International Invention Expo 2024.
Hello everyone, we are from Transcends Muhammadiyah Senior High School. My name is Mauro Syedin Harzanto.
My name is Ahmad Fajar Islami.
My name is Ardan Ahnaf Al Ayubi. My name is Aufa Ahmad Zampaza.
My name is Ahmad Dan Sauki Zahir.
My name is Yahya Husnafisina.
My name is Fazrin Ahmad Habibi.
My name is Muhammad Alfa Akmal.
In this occasion, we will presenting our research under the title FINAPA, Anti-Fire Food Packaging Paper from Cassava Peel
As an alternative solution to damage to food product.
in traditional market due to fire. Let's go to the background. Introduction. Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, are developments that maintain the improvement of people's economic welfare in a sustainable manner. One of the goals of the Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, is nationwide and economic growth. One of the factors of economic decline in Indonesia is the disaster of traditional market fires, especially in 2023, with a loss of 100 trillion. Next, Indonesia is a country that has 13,450 traditional markets. Traders are sometimes negligent in maintaining market security, causing accidents, namely traditional market fires. According to the National Agency for Disaster Management, or BNPB, the total number of traditional market fires in 2023 occurred 1,038 times with a loss figure of 1.1 trillion. BNPB 2023. Next, food packaging in Indonesia is of particular interest to the industry. Food packaging helps increase the economic value of Indonesian society. The economic value in the national packaging industry in 2021 reached 7.2 billion US dollar, and the value is projected to continue to increase along with the continued economic growth in the country after COVID-19 pandemic. Gumilar 2023. Next, based on data from the Ministry of Agriculture, cassava plantation waste in 2023 reached 20% of the total cassava production of 2.59 tons. Cassava peel is the largest waste produced, which is 40% of cassava plantation production at 2023. Cassava peel contains 57% cellulose, making it suitable for use in raw materials for making food packaging paper. Ningrum 2019. Next, cassava peel contains 10 until 15% potassium citrate compounds. Kaiwa 2021. In the cassava peel, potassium citrate compounds has a function that can be absorbed heat and reduce the combustion temperature. Besides, the potassium citrates also form a thin layer that coats the fuel so as to prevent it from direct contact with oxygen.
Research objective: one alternative to minimize damage to food product in traditional market due to fire in the manufacture or fire-resistant food packaging paper from cassava peel. FINAPA is an environmentally friendly food packaging paper product that uses cassava peel as a raw material for making paper. The target of this research is traditional market food production. The aim of this research is to make cassava peel food packaging paper as an alternative solution to damage to food production in traditional market due to fire, as well as achieving target 8 in Sustainable Development Goals, namely decent work and economic growth.
Next is method. First method is the research method used is descriptive research with a quantitative approach. Next, the focus of the description is the manufacture of the fire-resistant cassava peels packaging paper as a protection for damage to food products in traditional market due to fire. Next, data collection was carried out by observation and literature study. Next, the tests include the anti-fire test, pH test, water absorption test, paper compression test. Next is making process. 1. Clean the cassava. 2. Blend cassava. 3. Dry the stew in the oven. 4. Boil cassava with sodium hydroxide. 5. Mix the pulp and water with a ratio 1:10. 6. Print pulp to A5 size. 7. Dry under the sun. And this is our result. Technological innovation. FINAPA is an innovation in paper type packaging. The raw material used in making FINAPA is 100% cassava peel waste, so it is environmentally friendly food packaging paper. The innovation of making packaging paper from cassava peel was in the first innovation that has just been released in Indonesia. The advantage of FINAPA with commercial packaging paper is that FINAPA is environmentally friendly food packaging paper. The cost of making FINAPA is cheap, ranging from 7,000 until 10,000, which pass the fireproof test, so it is effectively used to minimize damage to food product in traditional market due to fire. as cassava production increased in Indonesia, which is a factor in producing cassava peels was. This is cause of increased maize vinapa production. Based on data from the Ministry of Agriculture, cassava plantation was. In 2023, research 20% of the total cassava production of 2.59 tons. Cassava peels is the largest product, which is 40% of cassava plantation production.
Applicability and utility in real life. In the process of producing flame retardant packaging paper from cassava peels, Vinapa require production cost of 7,000 until 10,000 rupiah. Meanwhile, the price of the Vinapa product per piece is 500 for mass production. Flame retardant packaging paper product from cassava peel have met the SNI 8,218 2015 for packaging paper, so that Vinapa has the potential for mass production and sale. Vinapa sell target in traditional market production to protect food product that support economic value in Indonesia.
Anti-fire test. The anti-fire test of cassava peel packaging paper was conducted to determine the level of resistance of the paper from fire. The result of the anti-fire test can be seen in the following table. Water absorption test. Testing by soaking the 5 times 5 cm Vinapa sample in water for 10 minutes. The test was conducted to determine the effectiveness of water absorption when used for food. The water absorption test used the following formula. From the result of the water absorption test, Vinapa has a water absorption that meets the standard in accordance with the commercial food packaging paper, which is equal to 68%.
Packaging paper comparison test. The paper comparison test is carried out by comparing anti-fire food packaging paper from cassava peels with commercial food packaging paper. The results of the comparison are follows this table. pH test. Point of hydrogen testing is carried out to determine whether Vinapa has a good pH when in direct contact with food. The pH test was conducted by testing cassava crisp with a pH meter. From this test, Vinapa has a neutral pH is 7, so it is good to be used as food packaging paper. Advantage: Vinapa has a more affordable price than commercial paper because it is made from cassava peel. Next, Vinapa is environmentally friendly food packaging paper. Next, Vinapa is passes the anti-fire test, so it is effectively used to minimize damage to food products in traditional markets due to fire. Next, the cost of making Vinapa is cheap, ranging from 7,000 rupiah until 10,000 rupiah.
Conclusion. From the conclusion, the product is proven to be effective and can be used as a substitute for flammable commercial packaging paper. Anti-fire test results show the level of anti-fire of packaging paper from cassava peel. The pH test show the pH level possessed by Vinapa has a natural pH is 7. The water absorption test show the water absorption capacity of Vinapa at 68%. The paper comparison test show that Vinapa meets SNI 8,218 2015 standard as a packaging paper product. Based on this test, anti-fire test, water absorption test, pH test, packaging paper comparison test, Vinapa is an effective product as a substitute for flammable commercial packaging paper.
Recommendation. From recommendation, the study suggests that future researchers use a pulping machine to increase the productivity of anti-fire packaging paper while obtaining a shape that can be customized with packaging paper.
Maybe enough from us. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.